Good morning. In this video, I am going to discuss the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Which one? This chromosomal theory. This chromosomal theory of inheritance, and this topics belong to chapter number 5. It is a continued video, that is the principle of inheritance and variation topic. Here in this video, I am going to discuss this chromosomal theory of inheritance proposed by Mendel's, given by Mendel's. So this Mendel give this theory, or he has published his inheritance total work of inheritance during this 1965. But due to the several reasons, they remain unrecognized. His work, the Mendel's works regarding the law and this law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, and this chromosomal theory. This work was published in 1865, but it is not come to the knowledge of the other come to the knowledge of the other scientist or public till 19. What the reason is that फर्स्ट रीजन, इसके क्या है, इसके चार रीजन हैं. जो वर्क मेंडल्स ने किया था इनहेरिटेंस और वेरिएशन के ऊपर, वो वर्क 1865 में ही पब्लिश कंप्लीट हो गया था, लेकिन पब्लिश नहीं हो सका 19 सेंचुरी तक. उसके कुछ रीजन थे. फर्स्ट रीजन कि ड्यूरिंग दिस 1865 देयर वाज नो एडवांसनेस इन टेक्नोलॉजी. उस समय इतनी बड़ी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी जो आज है. So due to the lack of this technology, his work was not published. उसका वर्क पब्लिश नहीं हो सका और लोगों को मिल नहीं सका. Second reason, that this in his experiment he give the discrete unit, this factor he called the factor is a discrete unit or the main unit. Factor is the main unit for the expression of the characters. He don't know about the gene because there was no microscope available, no technology. That's why his total work was morphological. Hence, he give that factor is the main discrete unit to control the expression of the trait or the character. Okay. And second, factors these factors are not blending, not mixing to each other. Okay, they are not mixing to each other. So this is the second reason. Third reason is his explanation was only totally on the basis of mathematics. It was the mathematical explanation. Biological explanation was the total mathematical. So it was a new concept for the scientist. Second and fourth, and finally, this Mendel's work suggested that gene. Nowadays, this factor is called gene. So these are the discrete unit, but he could not. This Mendel could not give any proof. He could not give any proof regarding the physical presence of this factor. ये जो उसने फैक्टर टर्म का यूज किया था कि फैक्टर ही इस करेक्टर्स के एक्सप्रेशन के लिए रेस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, लेकिन वो उसकी फिजिकल प्रेजेंस को कि फैक्टर कहाँ पर हैं, फैक्टर किस जगह पर हैं, फैक्टर कैसे काम करते हैं, उसका फैक्टर किस स्ट्रक्चर के हैं, देयर फिजिकल प्रेजेंस कुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन. उसके लिए कोई प्रूफ नहीं दे सका. इसकी वजह से दिस आर दी मेन डीमेरिट्स. ये सब कमियां थी जिसकी वजह से मेंडल्स का वर्क 19वीं सेंचुरी तक पब्लिक के सामने, साइंटिस्टों के सामने और पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर उसका वर्क नहीं आ सका। इसके लिए फिर क्या हुआ, इन 19 the three scientists, that is the De Vries, De Vries, this Correns, and this this Trusser, independently. These are the three scientists. They work independently. They are not in close contact to each other. They are independently worked and rediscovered the Mendel's वर्क। उन्होंने मेंडल्स के वर्क को रीडिस्कवर किया। जो कुछ भी मेंडल ने वर्क किया था, इन तीनों ने अलग अलग अपने अपने कंट्री में अलग अलग उसको रीडिस्कवर किया। और लेकिन उस समय क्या हुआ, इस 19th सेंचुरी के अंदर माइक्रोस्कोपी की खोज हो चुकी थी, माइक्रोस्कोप की खोज हो चुकी थी। और उस माइक्रोस्कोप का यूज सेल के स्ट्रक्चर में, सेल डिवीजन में, न्यूक्लियस टू फाइंड आउट द न्यूक्लियस स्ट्रक्चर, सेल डिवीजन में उस माइक्रोस्कोपी का यूज हुआ। तो इन साइंटिस्टों को ये पता लग गया कि सेल के अंदर क्या है, न्यूक्लियस क्या है, क्रोमोजोम क्या है, सेल डिवीजन, मियोसिस सेल डिवीजन और माइटोसिस सेल डिवीजन क्या होता है और कब, हाउ दिस germ cells are produced. They are produced as a result of meiosis division. So during this 19th century, all the three scientists, they work independently, but main profit or main gift was for the scientist is at that time the microscope was available. They with the help of this microscope, they discover the cell division. They show the process of cell division, structure of the nucleus, structure of the chromosomes and movement. So it is the region. Then in 1902 century, this chromosome movement, then they show the movement of chromosome during meiosis, कि meiosis के अंदर जो chromosomes हैं न्यूक्लियस के अंदर, at the where this chromosome is found, they are found inside the nucleus, and these chromosomes are in pair, and during the time of meiosis, cell division or the formation of the germ cell, this chromosomes move from one place to the another place. So the movement of the chromosome they studied in 1902. Who study this? Sutton and Theodore Boveri. These two scientists, they study the behavior and movement of the chromosomes during the cell division. Ultimately, all these scientists, they united their knowledge, whatever knowledge they have collected from the independent experiment, then they joined it together. फिर उन्होंने अपने अपने रिजल्ट को, अपने अपने प्रिंसिपल को, अपने अपने मेथड को, अपनी अपनी नॉलेज को जॉइंट किया, और जॉइंट करने के बाद फिर दे कंपेयर विद मेंडल्स प्रिंसिपल्स, मेंडल्स लॉ के साथ में कंपेयर करके देखा। देन ही फाउंड द मेंडल इज करेक्ट। तब उन्होंने कहा कि मेंडल सही है। क्या उन्होंने देखा, क्या इसको देखने में, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरी, फर्स्ट हेरिडिटी करेक्टर्स इन दिस 19th century साइंटिस्ट ने क्या, द हेरिडिटी करेक्टर्स आर this hereditary characters are depend on the sperm and egg. So egg and sperms are the bridge between one generation to another generation. Okay, उन्होंने ये देखा कि hereditary characters are found in germ cell, and this germ cells they work as a bridge. ये ब्रिज हैं किसके, बिटवीन पेरेंट्स एंड प्रोजेनी, फर्स्ट जनरेशन, पेरेंट्स ऑफ फर्स्ट जनरेशन के बीच में दे एक्ट एज ए ब्रिज। कौन, दिस स्पर्म एंड एग। सेकेंड, दिस फैक्टर कैरी द न्यूक्लियस। इनमें, इन जर्म सेल में अंदर क्या है, दे हैव द न्यूक्लियस, इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस chromosomes are present inside the nucleus. Chromosomes are present, and these chromosomes are haploid in germ cell, sperm and ovum, egg cell. ये जो जर्म सेल्स हैं, इन जर्म सेल्स के अंदर न्यूक्लियस है, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर क्रोमोजोम्स हैं, बट दे आर हैप्लॉइड बिकॉज इट इज द रिडक्शन डिवीजन। हैप्लॉइड का मतलब है कि जो पेरेंट सेल के अंदर क्रोमोजोम्स हैं उसके आधे। सपोज इन ह्यूमन सेल वन पेरेंट सेल कंसिस्ट 46 number of chromosome and their gametes or germ cells have 23 chromosome, so that is called the haploid chromosomes. Okay, and this gene they are this gene they are located on the chromosome. So at the time they have also give the name gene at the place of factor. So the gene are present on the chromosomes. Gene are always in pair, and these chromosomes are also in pair. They are homologous chromosomes. So one homologous chromosomes contain one pair of gene which is responsible for the characters. In this way, these scientists they correlated their result with the Mendel's law and found that Mendel's work was correct. And in this way, the segregation and independent assortment. Mendel gave the three principles: law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. So all the three principle is correct given by the Mendel's. It is proved by the study of these scientists. Okay, for this explanation, he showed the diagrammatic explanation of the cell division. Just you see here, this is the diagram of the cell division, that is the meiosis cell division, formation of sperm cell. ये कौन सी सेल है? This is the formation of sperm cell. यहाँ पर देखें, ये वन सेल है, 4 क्रोमोजोम्स इसमें प्रेजेंट हैं. हाउ मेनी? 4. कौन कौन से? 1 2 this 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4 4 chromosomes are present in this cell meiosis division. दिस इज बाईवेलेंट स्टेज. अब तुमको समझना है कि बाईवेलेंट और टेट्रावेलेंट स्टेज क्या है. उसको मैंने यहाँ तुमको बताया है कि ये जो क्रोमोजोम है, दिस मिडल पार्ट इज द सेंट्रोमियर, दिस पार्ट इज द सेंट्रोमियर. ये सेंट्रोमियर है, इट इज द सेंट्रोमियर. दिस पार्ट इज द centromere, it is the centromere, and these are the chromatin 1 and 2 chromatin. So it is a bivalent stage. ये कौन सी स्टेज है? इट इज ए बाईवेलेंट स्टेज. अब इसमें से दो, इट इज ए टेट्रावेलेंट. सेम स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ देखें कि इसको देखिए यहाँ पर क्लियर कट. हियर दिस इज द बाईवेलेंट स्टेज. This dark and light is 1 2 3 4 chromosomes are present. It converts into the tetravalent 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Just you see here one this structure, just one, this 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the tetravalent condition. Here just you see this tetravalent is here, then this tetravalent. So each chromosome is having this chromosome, and this chromosome is having 4 क्रोमेटिड. उसको तुम डायग्राम के थ्रू यहाँ पर देख सकते हो. दिस इज दी हियर, दिस इज दी सेंट्रोमियर. ओके, दिस 1 2 3 4, these are the chromatids. So it is a tetravalent stage. Now each chromosome converted into the tetravalent stage. Then in the meiosis first, And in the meiosis second phase, this divide into the separate. This one pair go to the one side, other pair to the other side. Again, this germ cell here. This one pair, this one. Total is the 4. So one cell produce 4 germ cell. So this is the cell division which shows these scientists. Okay, this cell division proof the exact work of the Mendel's. Then they compare these chromosomes, they compare with the gene. A number is the chromosome, B number is the gene. Here they are, okay, what is the chromosome and what is the gene. Gene and chromosome are the united units. These chromosomes are also found in pair. Okay, they are also found in pair, and this gene are also found in pair. पहले इस क्रोमोसोम्स और जीन को देखो कि अभी जो स्ट्रक्चर मैंने बनाया था कि दिस इज दी क्रोमोसोम. ओके, हियर इट इज दी क्रोमोसोम. जस्ट chromosome, it is pair, it is pair chromosome. On this pair chromosomes, these genes are present here. This genes are present here. This gene. Okay, similarly here this gene, this genes are present here. They are the gene. They are the gene. और ये क्या है, क्रोमेटिड और क्रोमोसोम. Chromosome, these are the chromosomes. So genes are present on these chromosomes. Here they are found in pair. So one, that is the chromosomes are found in pair and genes are also found in pair. Okay, then at the time of segregation, it go to one side. This will go to this side here, and this will go to this side. That is the segregation of gamete formation. At the time of gamete formation, they get segregated. And second, these genes which are present on the chromosome, they are independent to each other. They are independent. The chromosomes are also independent and genes are also independent to each other. So this is the comparison of the chromosomes and gene, their position of the gene on the chromosome and their comparison and characters. Okay, so this total work was done first by the Mendel's, and it is recognized by the other 19th century's scientists. So Mendel's work was okay. Okay, so it is the topic. Thank you very much.